This short video will show you exactly how to add Google Analytics to a WordPress website. Once you log into your dashboard, go to Plugins and hit Add New Plugin. And right here you will search for Google and you will select Sitekit by Google. Hit Install now and hit Activate. Once it's installed, you can see Sitekit on the left-hand side column. To connect Sitekit, you have to sign in with your Google account. And then it's going to take you through a few steps to verify your ownership. Hit Verify and hit Allow, and then also set up Google Search Console. Now, setting up Google Analytics on your WordPress website has never been this easy using this plugin. All you have to do is click a few buttons to get this set up. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your ownership if you haven't done so already.